This 2,000-year-old wall were the most powerful people in the world: popes, spiritual leaders, presidents, heads of state, and billionaires. Pray to God is the source of a 77-letter secret that can make you wealthy beyond your wildest dreams. And it only requires from you to do one thing. It has nothing to do with who you know, how hard you work, what education you have, investing money, using technology, or setting up a business. This is also something you can't Google. You won't even find a hint of this one thing on the dark web, where the most guarded secrets on planet Earth can be bought or sold. In fact, this one thing is already inside you. And until a rabbi recruited by the CIA revealed the findings of a highly classified research to me, I didn't know how powerful this one thing was either. What you are about to learn and the undeniable proof you are about to see will make you question reality. I must warn you though, what you will witness in this presentation might awaken strong emotions. You might even feel robbed by the elites from God's intended gift to humanity. You will learn how the revelations of a book published in 1997, the most controversial book of modern times, set the countdown towards the most explosive discovery of our lifetime, hidden and encoded under this wall, a 77-letter invocation prayer, and is about to change your life completely. You will also learn how a leading neurologist, Dr. Shmueli, proved beyond doubt that when reciting this 77-letter invocation prayer, a true miracle happens inside our brain. Billions of new neural connections form, making you a human magnet of unlimited wealth, health, and abundance in every single area of your life. Yes, science is now confirming what ancient Eastern teachings have touted for centuries, that if you activate this one thing inside you, that you can attract money and wealth effortlessly. And every human on planet Earth has the power to do so. This is no game. If all you care about is self-enrichment, this might not be for you. This is not why God decided this is the time to gift us. And trust me, as you will see with your own eyes, there is a reason why God decided now is the time. If you are a person who believes that inequality and unfair wealth accumulation by the elites needs to be stopped, and those who have been enslaved, because really, there is no better word for what has been going on in society, then this is the right place for you. You will be rewarded with infinite wealth, happiness, and unconditional abundance. Hi, my name is Richard. Until not long ago, my life was going nowhere. I was approaching my 40s, stuck in a never-ending cycle of hardship, and it felt like there was no light at the end of the tunnel. I had always been a hard-working man, holding down 2 jobs just to make ends meet. But no matter how many hours I put in, it seemed like I could never get ahead. It was a constant battle to barely keep our heads above water.